Kinohikai deficit Malashong Thai, Hapo Kashatri, Meghalaya Retired Deficit School Teachers Association, Kiladawa Naksorkar Jila Bankentiu, Yaka Detscom Retirement Gratuity, Bat Kumjuru Bankentiu, Yakabaibam Termen, Jongkinong Hikai. Kinong Elam, ke MRDSTA, Kila Pentipru, Bakan Sadon ke Jingelang, Hau Benai Leber, Arhajar Arpusau, Hagaruhil, Banyakren, Halor Kini Kimat, Jingdawa, Balada Sorkar Jila, Kadang Sangat Menti, Kinohikai Balashong Thai, Kimbanse Banmi, Shamadan, Meneki, Wat Happening ke Jingno Arta. Habakran Siklat Pathai Kubor, Presiden Uba I Nongsiang, Ulaitu Banadu Usnam Arhajar Arpau, Kaseng Kladawa Nak Sorkar Jela, Bankentiu, Yaka DCRG, Hadu Mynta, Kasorkar, Kampat Sim, Yakinui Kisenjam, Bankentiu. Apapun pau, uway na kaliang kidukot, kanang kunhun, Yaka Balatip, Ubaburon, Marbanyang, Unuhikai Balarim, Batlarang Ba, Ula Kerendiau, Baka Pule Putih Kalahiar Arsut, Hakan Jela, Nama Ulaong, Kita Ibadan, Manrung, Hakakam Nohikai, Mankentiu Yakakam Hikai, Hapo Kanang Jela, Henry Snusi, Watla, Ki Angdut, Badan Kata Kamensim, Ki Kenran Dino, Penban, Namar Yoi, Namar Kamdan Kata Kejingyo Kebabiang.
Meghalaya Retired Deficit School Teachers Association. This association was formed in 2019, and we have taken up mainly two agenda for our association. That is the DCRG and pension, the debt cum retirement gratuity and pension. What happened is that the government has enhanced the DCRG for the teachers only of 1/1/2017 up to 31st March 2022. And so we have written to the director that he should consider also for those teachers who retired before 2017 and also for the teachers who retired after 2017. This DCRG is a gratuity given by the government to the retired teachers. It was only 3.5 lakhs, 3.5 lakhs, and until this year they have enhanced it to 10 lakhs. This was due right from the fourth pay commission and fifth pay commission, but the government has not done that, and now they are going to enhance that ceiling for the DCRG up to 10 lakhs, but only for the teachers who retired within the period of 2017 to 2022. So that he should enhance the ceiling for DCRG right from before 2017 and also after 2022. So all the teachers who retired before 2017 also they should be eligible, and the teachers who retired after 2022 also they should be eligible for this enhancement. And then the main point, the main agenda of our association is pension. You know, we have made so many representations, memorandum submitted to many education ministers and even to the chief ministers also many times we have met. But it seems that the government is delaying it. They do not grant the pension as we have demanded from them. And there is a draft scheme of pension. It is known as a draft scheme of pension for Meghalaya non-government deficit schools and teachers employees rule 2023. And this also has come out from the department, but it is yet to be approved by the government. It is just a draft. It is not yet approved by the government. Therefore, we have requested the government through the director and the commissioner and secretary education. As we have met already the chief minister, he has directed us to meet the officials, and he has assured us that since we are holding sanction post in the deficit schools, so we are eligible also for pension. But that the officers have not been able to project it to the government for approval. So we are waiting for that. So now today we are met together here in Jail Road Boys Higher Secondary School, Shillong, to discuss more on this. And we are going to hold another meeting in Garo Hills. We had a meeting about 3 weeks ago in Tura, where large number of retired teachers attended. Then again, we are going to hold a meeting in the month of March, maybe in the month of March, and there in Garo Hills. And if we find that the government is still delaying to our demand, then we may go for some kind of agitations after the month of March next year, 2024. Because you have seen our teachers, they are old, most of them, they have no money, they cannot travel even to Shillong, and we also cannot go to Garo Hills. So we are struggling, we are living a life of destitution and penury. We are living a very pathetic, uncomfortable, and miserable life at the twilight of our lives. And we were once upon a time a very we we were once upon a time the members of the society who were living a dignified life. But now we are really struggling, and therefore we urge the government, we plead the government that they should also take up our demand and grant pension, so that at least we can live a very decent life without disturbing our children and the society. We are from our children and from the society to carry on living. So we would like that the government take up our issue so that we can live a decent life by ourselves with pension. So these are the things that we have discussed. Thank you. You see, for the secondary and higher secondary, there are not so many. There are less than 1,000. But if we include the primary, because we include the primary and the upper primary also, so altogether maybe around 3,000 retired teachers altogether, right from the lower primary up to the higher secondary. Me the representation, the writing in writing, so that I can take up the matter in the at his level from the officer. So we have written, but we will submit in the near future. We'll submit that same thing which I have said already.
To the government, and this our director has already sent proposal, and this gratuity would be effected from 1/1/2007, but it is effect 1/1/2017. We want to get clarification of this order and that order.
Yeah, that's why we have written here for that, because we would like that the teachers who retired before 2017 also, they should be eligible. Yes, for this enhancement of the ceiling. Yes. Chief Minister Rung Ilapha, government in Dang Aigaway, Tang Basho Chief Minister, the last one was Hau Banai November. The first one was on the 14/11/2022. 22, yes. And another one was in March. 8th of March 2022. Then, no, the next one will be in, yes. The last one was on the 18th of October October, yes, 2023. This year only. We met him and we submitted the memorandum to him also. In March also, we met the Chief Minister. In March 2023 also, we met him. And last year we met him in Maudiangdiang also. And we submitted the same memorandum again and again. We have submitted to the government through the Chief Minister. So, but
Association udang
Dang Im.
founder kusa babu tei warsan timata kumungin dari belas spearhead ya ka education mission banwan ra ya ke jinglong ke education hardware core dari susi ban kau mementa ke education ka ya stra ngal boleh menta ki badai ban wan je kam hikai bakwa ban wan habaki ke jingyo habaki ke ta security jo ki kamdan di company seluruh kan kita ki quality ki walau qualified teachers pun tuan kita kiarung tu belum yok kam kiarung hari kejuk kita ki bun ki kami pakai numpak lagi khon jo mungkin non kat maro kini ke struggle jungi kalong kaba hadu kata di kam tam nangina song tai nangina hong ini kejuti song tai ni sutu baham ka kalong nilai kendu ikan ni duduk ni bangi orang tanya ni ke sarkar orang tanya nilai kendu nilai kerja panggil ni ke pension nak duduk kipor ke cip
Mynshwa hoi.
nilai kendu
Nilai kempoi susun.
ada kipor bangi kemau ngi race ya ngi kendu uci besar barim Mynshwa ngi race ya kau usul sun berulang emotional but tapi recall haka silang time siapa kami kedur ju ubor likely ke dan front page bau emotional uyam recall ya ki jinge kino kai ki kino kam tam ki parents saja the fik pak badi ta kami silang time so kede 2015 March 11 for assembly thì kita kini kini bangi ayah khun naduk Mynshwa saya duduk mentah long kebasusi bangi hapkan toru mungkin orang bikin badan borom jingi kisep sansnem kilayo ya ka jadi kita drop jingi kini kabaret pakai ikiru ngimio mentah kan ni kapir tak jingi khun jadi nong ialah mengi Mynshwa kini kapir yang defisit kalak ham syubiang dari Mynshwa itu kabaret bah tinggi betul waktu main sip ya kepisah.
What ya ka?
Waktu nak jenang start ki khun ki ngi hikai ki khun ki we. Ki siang no ki khun ki pai ba. Hari kat bayar lebih kadi. Ka bayar. Khun kan ki. Kamu government kadi wan address yakin ki issues kemudian kam tam ju ki hikai. Yang ingin tip ini anu mi omli. Ngintip. Hari ngi perkat memberi temu perkat tang tai ladi bagi ker kemudian ngi perkat ke education jaga state berkoi. Bahkan ki apakah education bukan kau kamu hidup kami hidup kami kita kai betul betul kita kena kai beri bantuan kinwan kumno apa kata kapi bani orang ni habis surat apa asyo kat selai macam bom kat tiat kita ada ke wa insusi ban kentok kemungkinan mak mata ring la mus song type kat 60 70 plus ngai don tingnya mi banyak kun ru ngimla balai rumla banyak yang mentak tuan kita pina do garo sans pak kilo tadi yang tuan bakam dei bakidon ke jing ek kinum wan sini cerita kali ke jing ek ke sarkar ke hapan perhat ke kinong mikhan badon burom ki policy magazine dar kim address ke education ke state kanum kilo no
Kalau kumne ken ka cingtre kam jungi kala jrong don nangi ki ba alpupra kundai lai pu san snem nila don ha waka service tin rei dala shong thait pat ngio ai te kani kam ya hap ken kat ba ngitip ba MLA da job sheet term ru ulaya yo pension tang sansnem subo tang sansnem ru ula yo ka pension te kam ya hap syu ka oi te kam ya hap syu ken kata ka kom trei ka sansnem bat ka lai posnem te ka la pher bak laba ma ten rei kumta ka sarkar ka ayaki namar kisnahi ma ya ka an men ayalade kat bayangi kinoi kai padangi ya struggle kan ko nur ka ira kan ma ha u khandai pun reu khandai pun nyau but hoi ka don ka tu ka fourth pay commission ro tang ban penrung kimut ban penduk no ya ki deficit school teachers ban ai kan ka pay commission tenrei da kajing yakhi jungi ngilala ban yo ka fourth pay commission ngata yakan ka fifth pay commission ro kala khamsuk ka fifth pay commission mangila dep yakhi la shwa kata te kisa ai ladangim yakhi ngatrangim yo ora kini ki pay commission ba fer na mata gi different school teachers kadai tang lamba kajing yakhi jungi isa yo ekito
Bani awat